Hey there, friends. Welcome back. Today's question is, what are the most common mistakes Americans make when it comes to time management? I love this question so much. Thank you for asking it. The first mistake that I see a lot of is booking meetings back to back to back to back. Managing your time does not mean filling every single minute of every single day. One, it's not likely executable. And two, without a break, it decreases your productivity massively. The second mistake that I see a lot of in the time management realm is attempting to use time management techniques like maker manager time or time blocking, attempting to use those techniques, but blocking out everything that you need to do, as opposed to the tasks that help you reach your goals and create your ideal future. This is two different concepts. Time blocking and maker manager time and different time management techniques do not mean putting everything on your calendar. So the people that are like, I have no time in the day, there's no time to get everything done. Well, you're likely right, because what would help is actually taking the time to put the things on the calendar that help you reach your goals and create your ideal future, not all the things. And another big mistake that I see is a lack of prioritization. Prioritization in your tasks is extremely important when it comes to time management. And when we don't have a prioritization technique or a way to prioritize our tasks, the thing that happens is we react to everything as if it was urgent. And not everything is urgent. So when we think about what are the most common mistakes, these are definitely the top three. Number one, booking meetings back to back to back is a really common mistake. Number two, utilizing a time management technique like time blocking or maker manager time and attempting to put everything you have to do in it, that won't likely work. And the third one is going to be a lack of prioritization. Is a most common mistake that I see because of our connectivity and because of all of the apps and the things that we can stay connected on. We think everything is urgent. Therefore, the most important tasks don't really get prioritized. And those are going to be the three most common mistakes that I see people make when it comes to time management. This is Danielle. Thanks so much for watching.